new tool for police to take action at a fire scene, even before firefighters arrive. It's deployed like a grenade. 12 News' Nick Bohr reports from Big Bend, where they're demonstrating just how it works.
A raging fire, in this case a planned demonstration in Big Bend, to show how a new device known as an FST for fire suppression tool can knock down a fire in seconds. Big Bend police say it's a great tool, especially in rural areas without full-time fire departments.
But a lot of times the police will be at the fire first or at the emergency scene first, just because we're on the road all the time, where the fire department's paid on calls.
A fire here set to a simulated home creates a scenario that police officers might be faced with before fire trucks arrive. Big Bend police are one of the first in the area to use it. It's like a fire extinguishing grenade. The user pulls 2 pins, hurls it into the fire, and 8 seconds later it's spraying chemicals, drastically knocking down the fire. Even in this intense fire under less than ideal conditions, wind feeding the fire with oxygen for one, it's still able to reduce the flames and heat.
They're a great unit for us when we arrive a little bit earlier and fire's getting there, for us to be able to do something and hopefully help that fire department and cut down on the amount of damage or save lives.
Another demonstration last year in a vacant house shows how well it worked in a real home.
Not every fire department can make it there within 5 to 6 minutes, and every minute counts in a fire.
And as these devices become more commonplace, the stories of their saves in lives and property are likely to grow. In Big Bend, Nick Bohr, WISN 12 News.
Each FST costs nearly $900, but the manufacturer says some insurance companies are reimbursing departments for them because they can reduce property damage.